Welcome to Brunei. I'm Luke Martin and today I'm here in Temburong district. So over 70% of Brunei is covered in rainforest and Temburong is the place to experience Brunei's beautiful nature. So the plan for today is to explore Ulu Temburong National Park and then we're going to have a traditional Bruneian meal cooked in the jungle. So I'm going to take you for the entire day, but first off we're just going to have a traditional Bruneian breakfast here at Fremi Lodge. You can see I'm standing on this really cool bridge right here over the river. So let's go down and have a little breakfast before we start our hike up to Ulu Temburong National Park. So we've got a traditional spread of Bruneian kueh, classic breakfast here. They love to just go with something simple. So we've got three different kinds. This one right here is called penyaram. It's made with palm sugar. And then this in the middle is cucur pisang, which is actually fried banana, so it's banana. And then this one back here is kalupis, which is I believe it's rice with shrimp paste on the inside, and it's wrapped up in this leaf here as well. Let me open this up and give you guys a little peek. There you go. Let's try this. We gotta eat a lot of these, get some energy before the hike. So there's dried shrimp inside of sticky rice here. It's just been steamed in this leaf. Salty, chewy. Yeah. A little crunch. Sweet banana. But it tastes like there's some salt in the batter. Penyaram. Oh, that one's really sweet. It's got a kind of bouncy texture. So we're gonna fill up on the kueh and then we're gonna hop on one of these long boats and then head upriver about 30 minutes to an area where we're going to climb, they said, over 1,000 steps to a canopy walk, and it should be a pretty beautiful view here at Ulu Temburong National Park. All right, we are on the boat heading to Ulu Temburong National Park. Let's go. So far, this is an incredibly beautiful boat trip. The water is a little shallow and there's some rapids, so you do get splashed a little bit. And there's only one national park here in Brunei, Ulu Temburong, and it's been around since the 1990s. That's where we're heading right now, and it's famous for its canopy walk, which we're going to be hiking up to. And whoa, you can see the rapids here. Okay, 40-minute boat ride, and these are the stairs we're heading up right now. Apparently there's 1,000 of them, so I'm guessing this is just the first section. And it was absolutely beautiful, very peaceful, untouched, unspoiled rainforest here in Brunei. And there's all kinds of species you can see here, from sun bears to clouded leopards and tarsiers and slow lorises. This is really Borneo at its finest. Oh my gosh, this is spiritual already. Our guide was just telling us about all the times people have gotten bit by pit vipers on this hike, and we actually did see about a 1 meter long crocodile on the boat ride up, but we didn't get it on camera, unfortunately. Just crossing this really cool bridge right now. Everything here in the rainforest seems like it wants to just kill you.
20% done.
Okay, I thought we have made it to the top, but turns out we have to go all the way up that. I don't even know how that's possible. Guys, remind me in the comments never to hike, vlog again. What are we about to do?
So we're about to climb up this tower right here.
How tall is it?
It's 42 meters, around 42 meters.
You scared?
A little bit. Look at how tall it is. Once you finish first tower, there's be like a bridge connect you to the second one, and the second one is higher, and you have to keep climbing. And I think it's 5 in total.
Yeah.
So Luke's gonna do that.
What? You're not coming?
I think I'm gonna finish first one, and I was so tired.
This is kind of terrifying. Not kind of. This is really scary, actually. 42 meters might not sound like a lot, and it might not look like a lot on camera, but it just keeps going and going. Look at this. We've already climbed probably 20 sets of these.
Oh, my legs shaking. I'm terrified. Don't look down. Look straight.
Seriously stunning view. This is the canopy walk here, Ulu Temburong National Park, Brunei, and you are above the trees, and those are not little trees. Those are virgin rainforest, massive behemoths of trees, and we're above them. Holy Lord.
Why?
Yeah, not sure about that. So I'm not particularly afraid of height. Well, maybe I am actually, because this is kind of scary. But if you were actually afraid of heights, there's no way you're gonna want to do this. Look at Mink down there. I'm on the very, very top. This is 60 meters, and you can get an entire 360 of Temburong National Park. It is so lush, untouched, virgin rainforest here in Brunei, the heart of Borneo. This is so beautiful up here. Alright, that was exhilarating to say the least. A lot of fun, really cool. Definitely gotta do it when you visit Brunei. And we're just gonna take a little swim, I am at least, before we start cooking up our dinner tonight. So for swimming, I've come to this little, oh man, there's a huge ant right here. Look at the size of that ant. So I've come to this little waterfall to take a dip. Super refreshing. It is beautiful here. Very, very lush tropical rainforest here in Brunei. It's amazing. The water's so clean, crystal clear. I love swimming in waterfalls. It's seriously one of my favorite things in the entire world. And just knowing that I'm in the rainforest of Borneo here in Brunei makes it just so much cooler to swim in this waterfall. Feels like not very many people have been to this one before. Untouched beauty. So I'm here at Sumbiling Eco Village, and I'm going to be preparing a traditional Iban Tribe dish. It's a bamboo chicken, so we've got all the different spices. We've got the chicken back here, but it's simple spices: salt, pepper, turmeric, got some ginger, tamarind, and then lemongrass. All right, mix it up. Okay, so we've got a piece of bamboo here. Just gonna plop it in. Everything, yeah?
Yes.
And this is gonna be the vessel that cooks away in. We're putting this on an open fire, yeah?
Yes, correct. Make sure to get everything inside. Cheers.
Okay, this bamboo is completely stuffed full of the chicken, and I think we're just putting it right on open flame. Oh, that mixture smells really good. Let's go.
You can try it too.
Okay.
Okay. Just put it inside.
So all natural, huh?
Yes.
Just like that?
Yes.
Oops. There we go.
Alright.
Just like that, yeah?
Yes. Take it out a bit, I think. On the smudge.
Oh, like this?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. There we
Good
go.
job. Alright, so this one will be cooking for 45 minutes.
45 minutes?
And the boys here, they will roll
Okay.
the bamboo until it's cooked.
Alright, all natural?
All natural.
Bamboo chicken.
Alright, it will boil 2 times every after 40 minutes, and then one more boil. After they finish boiling, then they're ready to cook.
So the bamboo chicken is cooking away, and they've just given me a little basket here because I'm heading into the jungle to pick some veggies, some ferns to have with dinner. This is a traditional Iban vegetable that they like to harvest. So they have very little agriculture. They actually just rely on wild veg.
Which one do you think is the fiddle fern?
This one.
Alright.
Am I right?
Yes, you are.
Oh, awesome.
Alright. So now, what you want to do is to take it from the bottom here.
Okay.
And you take it to the bottom, pop, and then you bring it inside here.
Okay.
Yeah.
We've only been in here for like 1 minute. There's tons of it here. Tons of this fern. What do you call it? Fiddle fern. Fiddle fern. And what's the local name?
Pakis.
Pakis. So, wild ferns for dinner tonight. Okay, heading a little deeper now. We finished off with the ferns. We were looking for bamboo shoots next. Got some bamboo shoots, now we're just cleaning them off by the river here. It's beautiful. So the bamboo chicken is cooking away. We will be sleeping here at the Sumbiling Eco Village tonight. This is our little hut with a beautiful view. Let me show you inside. Pretty simple accommodation, but beautiful view over the river. No AC in here, just a couple little mattresses on the floor. We are exhausted from that hike this morning. It was amazing, but I'm ready to eat this chicken.
So first thing first, we take out the juice and all the other substance inside. After finish with the juice, then you slowly knock on the bamboo to get the chicken to come up. Coming up now.
Oh, that smells good. All right, it's time to eat. The bamboo chicken has finished cooking, and I was surprised because we didn't put any extra liquids in it, but once we emptied it, there is like a whole thing of soup. So it's basically just the chicken and the young bamboo that releases all that liquid. It smells incredible. I am so ready to eat. All right, we have our dinner. We have all of our ingredients that we gathered earlier. So those ferns right here, the bamboo shoots, and then this beautiful bamboo cooked chicken. And then we've got some black pepper beef and then fried fish actually from the river. Okay, first things first, I definitely gotta try this bamboo cooked chicken. Oh my gosh. Actually, I feel like you can taste the bamboo. I wasn't really expecting that. The chicken, super tender. You can taste the lemongrass. And all that juice. It's really aromatic, very chickeny, like concentrated chicken stock. Okay, let's try these freshly picked bamboo shoots. It's a little bit spicy. It tastes like it was cooked with some dried fish in there, I think, as well. Fresh bamboo, yum. It's delicious too. Spicy. All right, and then the wild foraged ferns. Simple, but really good. Just cooked with some garlic. Still crunch. Oh, yum. Fresh, wild, organic. Delicious. This is my first time ever trying this style of chicken preparation, and it's incredible how well it actually cooks the chicken and how much soup comes out at the end too. What a day here at Temburong National Park. This meal feels well deserved. Delicious dinner. Didn't do a whole lot of filming because we were just focusing on eating after our long day hiking. We were just so starving, but everything was delicious, especially that bamboo chicken. So back in the hut, I guess you could call it, and hopefully gonna get a decent sleep here tonight, and we'll catch back up with you in the morning. Good night.
Good night.
Good morning from Sumbiling Eco Village. What a beautiful place right by the river here. Definitely not the best sleep of my life, not the worst sleep of my life either. A lot of ants and mosquitoes, but it wasn't too hot because you get a nice breeze by the river. So we're gonna head to get a little breakfast at a local morning market here in Temburong. Let's see what we can find. So it's just a little quiet market, but it's a really nice renovated place. They've got these beautiful shades, and one of the things you have to try here is the Cendol Temburong, so called Haji Saban. That's the name of the owner, the maker, and it's been around since 1980. So Cendol is these little green rice flour noodles with pandan, so that's why they're green. And then I ordered mine with the coconut milk. So I guess this is breakfast here in Brunei for me today. Sweet, creamy. The noodles in this Cendol are a lot like softer. They're not bouncy like the ones I've had in other countries. You get a whole mouthful. It's a interesting breakfast. It's good though. Look at that. Look at all those Cendols in there. Yep. So that is it for our trip here in Temburong District, Brunei. Really beautiful. If you're like a nature lover, you'll fall in love with this place immediately. Some of the most lush tropical rainforest I've ever seen. Really friendly people and good food too. I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. If you did, subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the like button, and I'll see you guys on the next episode. Ciao, ciao. Bye.